Take a leap of faith.
Hola gente, what's up guys? Welcome to another Makeup Therapy Thursday where we unleash our creative energy through makeup and push away any negativity in our lives. And today I'm going to show you the steps I took for this everyday glam makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. This is very easy to do and very natural looking. I'm very passionate about natural looking makeup, minimal makeup, even more I think than I am about hair care. So hopefully you guys will get excited and we can do these more often. And before we get started, please do stick around, subscribe, like, and comment down below. That really helps.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us. I wanna go, do you wanna follow?
Alright, so you guys may notice that there's a bit of a change in the background. I'm in a different room where I have a much bigger window with a better orientation to catch all the sunlight possible. I'm gonna prep my skin using the Urban Decay Quick Fix. And now where I have larger pores, which is near my nose right here, I'm going to apply a little bit of Benefit Professional. I have a little bit of orange skin. This is a L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion Foundation, the one foundation that looks more natural on me. You don't even need a beauty blender. You can apply this on the go. This is the Brow Precise Fiber Voluminizer by Maybelline, and I always like to go for that very thick, bushy, messy eyebrow. So I basically brush things up and the fibers attached to my natural hairs, adding more volume and definition to my brows. Do you see the difference? Let's apply a little bit of concealer. My holy grail one has been for like a year or so. Is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Undereye. This is a full coverage anti-aging concealer in the shade medium. Has a little bit of a yellow undertone, which really helps cancel out my redness. Very hydrating and has a bit of a sticky texture. It doesn't need a lot of powder to set it. In fact, for everyday use, I don't really set it with powder. Brightens up everything. Now I am going to use a little bit of a light, very subtle contour. It's going to provide a little bit of definition to my cheekbones and just make my double chin go away and all those tricks to really slim down my face. And for that, I'm going to use this Cover FX palette. This is the Contour Kit in G Light Medium. This has been very well loved by me. I'm going to start with number 4 and using these iconic London HD brush, which is very dense.
Take a leap of faith. Run with me. Clouds go by.
And now with the same shade, I'm going to go through the perimeter of my face for a sun-kissed look.
And I believe you when you say that this is never gonna change.
Now let's hide that double chin of mine.
You like to spend your day with me always.
Now I'm going in with number 3 to blend things out a little bit. Number 3 also on my nose for a sun-kissed look. Now for blush, I'm going to be applying Benefit Cha-Cha Tint with a smaller HD iconic London brush. This is liquid and has very good pigmentation, so do not drink and drive. A little bit here and here, and just really blend it in quickly.
Be brave. We don't need far too much.
Oh, I love this.
Just stay brave.
Look how beautiful this is.
Beside me.
You can also just go ahead and blend it in with your fingers. And what I like to do is to tap either with the fingertips or with the brush and not drag it. Did you just see how that really gave me a very youthful look? and so natural. And because it is a orangey peachy shade, it instantly brings out the blue in my eyes. Also a little bit in my nose, a little bit here. Yep, you can apply blush there. Really warms up the complexion, ties the look together. I'm going to go in with number 2, which is a neutral cream highlight that I love. Look at this.
Happy days, running on the open fields. Yeah.
Every time it wows me. And look at how hydrated, almost wet my skin looks. I don't want to bring out the tip of my nose or the bridge, so I'm going to leave my nose alone. But I am going to apply near my tear duct in the inner corner of my eyes. Don't you guys just love makeup? And that is all for highlighter. Do you guys see how I have applied so many products to my complexion and yet it looks natural and I didn't even set it? Now with this big brush by It Cosmetics, this is the Live Beautifully collection, number 21 all over powder brush. I'm going to dip it in this big L'Oreal Glam bronzer and just take this down my neck and a little bit my chest. Now for my eyes, I'm going to be using this best-selling palette. This is of course the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. As you guys can see, I have quite small semi-hooded almond eyes, and I feel these are not the best eyes to play around with eyeshadow, so I rather do something simple. On my crease, I'm going to go in with this shade right here that's called Horizon. Instantly brings out the blue in my eyes, and I like to apply it almost like above my brow bone. Now just using my ring finger, I'm going in with this shade right here that's called Mandarin, and just press it all over my mobile lid. Do you guys see that?
Take on me, I'm worth.
And honestly, that could be a very fresh, natural eye look in itself, but I'm going to add a little bit more depth. And I'm going in with this shade right here that's called Sinai, which is kind of a darker version of the one I used previously on my crease. Press it on the outer V.
Be brave, we don't need far too much, just stay brave. Beside me, happy days, running on the open fields. Yeah.
And now I'm going to take this flat brush and line my under eyes using Horizon, which is the exact same shade I used on my crease earlier.
I believe you when you say that this is never gonna change.
Now using the same brush, I'm going to line just the outer area using Sinai, which is the one I used in the outer V before.
We don't need far too much, just stay brave.
And now a little bit of Terra for a bit of more definition in the outer, lower and upper lash line.
Running on the open fields, we'll stay brave.
And now to complete the look, I'm going in with this Guerlain lipstick in number 43, which is a beautiful coral red. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and stay brave. Ciao.